Meghalaya's first International Film Festival was inaugurated on the 14th of March 2023 by the Minister of Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya, Paul Lyngdoh, at a function held at the Soso Tham Auditorium, Shillong. The festival witnessed the presence of national and international filmmakers and personalities, including Adil Hussain as special guest. The first of its kind, the International Film Festival, was initiated by the Meghalaya Filmmakers Association, MeFilma, under its founder, President and Filmmaker of the State, Commander Shangpliang. 65 films and documentaries will be screened in 4 venues during the 4-day film festival.
We all know that apart from Meghalaya being the abode of clouds, it also is the abode of talent, the abode of creativity, the abode where filmmaking is in our blood. And well, what's really good timing is the fact that a day after 2 Indian films bagged the Oscar award, and next came the International Film Festival here at Shillong, it only means that we can go beyond Oscar awards as Meghalaya. Friends, we're here to celebrate Meghalaya's potential, and that potential goes beyond our being able to set up state-of-the-art cinema halls. That is just a given. It should and it will be done. I think I can say your wish is my command now. We're here to elevate, we're here to energize, we're here to also enhance the stature of Meghalaya. And as a state, we once considered ourselves, part of the periphery. Today, we are no longer on the periphery. We're very much part of the consciousness of this country, whether they like it or they don't. Those who don't, we still continue. But Meghalaya has arrived, Shillong has arrived, and it will only be a matter of time before what we lit up today as small sparks will tomorrow, the rest of the world will look to Meghalaya as an inferno of talent, creativity, and huge, huge potential.